Today on 3D Chill, we're going to print and assemble this TIE Advanced X1. Let's head on over to Thingiverse. We should be searching for TIE Advanced Card Kit. It should be the first result. There's several options here for you to print. You can print without the frame, or you can even print the individual pieces. For this build, I'm printing the whole card kit. Go ahead and click Download All Files. You'll want to grab the TIE Advanced Kit STL. Should be the first option. As always, inspect to make sure you have the right file. I'm going to go ahead and use dynamic quality with Cura's default settings. This should take roughly 2.5 hours. Let's throw this at the printer and get to it. Now that the print's done, this should be pretty easy to peel off the bed. This build comes in 7 pieces. To make things a bit more manageable, we're going to use sticky tabs to label each piece. Before we can put this together, we're going to have to cut out the individual pieces. Part B consists of these 2 pieces. They support the wing. Part C. Part D is the cockpit, and it gets attached to Part A. Part E are the wings. Now that we got all the parts separated, let's put this TIE fighter together. Make sure not to snap them in all the way. Now let's take Part C and slide it into place of Part A. Once in place, you can snap the wing supports together. Now let's take Part D and snap it into place on Part A. Part E are the wings. Feel free to grab any one. The wings can be a little tricky. You're going to want to make sure that you bend them the right way, and make sure that the detailed side is facing out. I found snapping one support at a time, starting on one end and working your way to the other, to be the easiest way to put it together. The pins that connect the wings to the body are very secure. You're not going to be needing any glue here. And if you happen to break the pins, you can always print the supports by themselves. Now you'll need to repeat this for the other side. You may want to apply some glue to this connection. It's a little bit loose. It doesn't really hurt the integrity of the build, but it keeps the wings from being parallel. So it's totally up to you. Did you make this print? If so, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. If you like this video, I can't wait to show you what I've got in store. I'll be printing a whole series of Star Wars kits, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Happy printing!